Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Design with AR. In today's video, I'm going to explain some important tools in Adobe Photoshop that every beginner should know. If you are just starting Photoshop, these tools will help you edit photos, create thumbnails, and design graphics easily. So let's start with the first tool. Move tool. The first tool is the Move tool. This tool is used to move objects, images, or layers from one place to another. For example, if you add a photo or a shape to your design, you can select the Move tool and simply drag the object anywhere on the canvas. It is one of the most commonly used tools in Photoshop because almost every design requires moving elements. 2. Marquee Tool. The next tool is the Marquee Tool. This tool is used for making selections in different shapes. For example, you can select a rectangle or an ellipse area in the image. Once the area is selected, you can edit only that part of the image. Designers often use the Marquee tool to cut, copy, or apply effects to a specific area. 3. Lasso tool. Now let's talk about the Lasso tool. This tool allows you to select objects freely using your mouse. Instead of selecting in a perfect rectangle or circle, you can draw your own selection shape. This tool is very useful when you want to select irregular objects such as a person, product, or any custom shape. Polygonal Lasso Tool 4. Next we have the Polygonal Lasso tool. This tool is used to create straight line selections. Instead of drawing freely, you click on different points around the object, and Photoshop connects those points with straight lines. It works very well when selecting objects that have sharp edges or straight sides, such as buildings, boxes, or logos. Magnetic Lasso tool. Now we have the Magnetic Lasso tool. This tool is very helpful because it automatically detects the edges of an object. When you move your cursor along the edge, Photoshop tries to snap the selection to the boundary of the object. It is commonly used when selecting a person or object from the background. So these were some basic Photoshop tools that every beginner should know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel Design with AR for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.